Unit 1, Lesson 12, Practice Problems number 5. Draw an example of each of these triangles on the grid. A right triangle with an area of 6 square units. Right triangle. We know that a right triangle has a right angle. An acute triangle with an area of 6 square units. An acute triangle has all three of its angles as acute. Remember that acute means less than 90. Such a small, acute little triangle. An obtuse triangle with an area of 6 square units. Obtuse means bigger than 90. One angle that's bigger than 90. And it needs to have an area of 6. All of them need to have an area of 6. We know for triangles, area of a triangle equals base times height divided by 2. So what times what divided by 2 equals 6? I know that 12 divided by 2 equals 6. So what times what equals 12? Let's do 4 times 3 divided by 2 equals 6. That means our base is going to be 4 and our height is going to be 3. So if we're doing our right angle, we're going to do base 1, 2, 3, 4. Base of 4, height of 3. We have our right angle, and we just connect our lines. That is a right triangle with an area of 6 square units. Now we need to do an acute triangle. So we still want a base of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a height of 3. But we don't want to make it a right angle. We want to make it an acute angle. So we can do the height here. That's a height of 3. Except now all of our angles, that line was a little squirrely, all of our angles are less than 90. Okay, last but not least, we need an obtuse triangle. Let's make sure we remember that purple is acute. Purple is acute, blue is right, green will be obtuse. Remember, we're using the same base. 1, 2, 3, 4. But we need to have an angle that's greater than 90. So straight up would be smaller. Sorry, straight up would be 90. This way is smaller than 90. We have to go this way. And we still know that we need a height of 3. So if we do a height of 3 here, that's our height of 3. And we can connect these lines. For our triangle, this angle is greater than 90. And this is our height. So those are 3 triangles: right triangle, acute triangle, obtuse triangle. They all have an area of 6 because their base times their height is 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Base 4, height 3, base 4, height 3, base 4, height 3.